it is possible?
1 minute left for the cab.
Come on, Ansh, 5 minutes we have. Hello everyone, welcome to a new vlog, and today I'm at a stationery to buy some stuff. Hello everyone, I'm back after buying things that I wanted for today's shoot. Plus also I had to buy some fruits, and that's why I'm here to tell you a small story of it and how my parents told me, did you buy a mango of 150 rupees a kilo? So after buying some chart papers, I went because I had to buy mangoes and also some peaches.
I got my peaches out in Georgia
For today's shoot, like peaches. So I asked the shopkeeper how much is mango. He said 150. I'm like, okay, cool. And then I bought 2 mangoes, half kilo, for 70 rupees, and I came back home and I told Mom, I bought mangoes for 150 kilo. 150 rupees a kilo for mango? Oh my god. And I was like, okay, so I guess I bought them at the wrong price. So yeah, that's the lesson I learned, that whenever you're going around, call your mom and ask, Mommy, it's 150. Should I buy it from here or no? So it's like Mom bought mangoes for 100 rupees a kilo and I bought it for 150. So I guess you learn things from your experience, and that's what I learned. But yeah, I bought 2 mangoes for 70. Not bad, but yeah, good deal. No, it's not a good deal. So yeah, also I bought it from station, so I guess that's the price over there. So yeah. And now let's get back to work. It's Monday afternoon. Have a team call soon. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another Monday vlog. And this vlog, I'm very happy because first, a Monday video is up before 8, and second, shoot is going on. I mean, it's done. But here I'm just sharing something that I am learning in this process of shooting. So here we can see the difference of light and how impactful light plays. Okay, so right now this is how dull it is looking in the camera, and when we add external lights, see the difference. Boom. So this is the magic of lights, and like if you are a creator, so this is just for you to understand how important light plays when you're shooting something. This is me dark, and when light comes, this is how it happens. So light, sound, like these are the things that also matter when even if you're having a good quality camera. Lights and sound is also must. Hi there, this is the take 3 that I'm doing because I'm just figuring my wide angle lens. But yeah, apart from this, what I wanted to say was I came to the office to shoot and had a great shoot, but couldn't record the starting part because there was a lot to shoot. We covered today, I guess, 4, 5. Yes, 4 reels were there to shoot. So yeah, that was done, and now we'll be heading back home. But I have a new friend to introduce. So this is Pooja. So we were working together today. We also had Sai, but he's not here. But yeah, so this is Pooja. You can say hi to the vlog. Hi. So yeah, we just wrapped up, and now that's the scene in the studio, and we'll be heading back home. Yeah. Okay, so we are right now outside McD waiting for Pooja's order though, and our cab comes in like next 5 minutes, and the order has just been placed. So the guy has given us the guarantee of getting the burger in 5 minutes. Let's see if this happens today. I think it is possible. Come on, and 5 minutes we have. Getting some light. We are just waiting for the order. 1 minute left for the cab to come, and order still pending. Let's see. He's coming from here. So it's like 1 minute left for our cab. The order is still yet to come. Okay, so we have a live update. Our order is getting packed. I can't believe this, but let's hope it's the truth. Okay, so our cab came, but unfortunately we cannot go because of some payment issue, and also our McDonald's came on time. So great job, McDonald's, if you're watching, from Parapadevi team, great job. So big thumbs up and thanks to Ansh for delivering us our order like very super quick. Like he said 5 minutes and it happened in 5 minutes. So a big thank you to you. So yeah, so we'll be heading back home. So just wanted to thank him and this team of McDonald's. So
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, sure, bye. So yeah, a crazy thing, a crazy journey, life of Mumbai. But yeah, so now we have booked second cab and it will be coming in next 10 minutes. So yeah, time to go home. Hi vlog, it's a new day and a new place to shoot. Today I'm heading to Bandra for a shoot and it's at Gold's Gym. Almost reaching towards the destination. So like we are in Bandra right now. This is okay, I have Sanika with me and see the luggage that we have with us. Almost there. Entering Gold's Gym in 3, 2, 1. So finally I'm getting time. I had a GoPro. I have taken some time lessons which I'll show you after this, but this is Gold's Gym Bandra and almost we are done. 90% of the shoot is done. Final shots is getting ready, so we'll be taking that and winding up. But this is Gold's Gym. I thought I'll give you some tour, but this is the only way I can give you a tour, because when shoot starts it's become very difficult to vlog because it's all lined and just you take the next shot and then you go. So yeah, this is the Gold's Gym Bandra. This is the Gold's Gym. I think I'm for the fourth time telling this is a Gold's Gym, but yeah, excited. Hi, so I need you to meet one more teammate of mine, and that is Dave here.
Hi guys.
So today, Dave, Sanika and Sai were working, but unfortunately Sai and Sanika had some other shoots, so they left. But we are here, and how was your feeling today working at Gold's Gym Bandra?
With Godwin, it was superb.
So yeah, we finally managed to get the shoot done. It was a tough task for today, especially to get the dialogues done by the trainers. It was a task, but good job Dave, he made it happen.
And good job Godwin.
8 reels we did, and that was nine I guess. Nine, total 9 reels, so great job to us.
Yeah.
Now we'll be heading back home, so see you in some time. So heading back home, got a cab, but since it's the evening time, going to Bandra towards Borivali. There's a lot of traffic on my way back home, but yeah, today's day was super tiring. The shoot was a bit tiring. It was like continuous and we didn't get a break, to take a rest. But yeah, happy we got what we wanted to. The energy is super low. We'll go home, freshen up and see you tomorrow because it's Saturday. So see you soon, and if you're liking this video, then do hit the like button and let me know in the comments how this vlog is going on for you, and I'll see you soon. Maybe tomorrow making dosha probably. Good morning. So right now I'm at my church, came for some work, but yeah, need to end the vlog here, right? So it's a beautiful Sunday morning. I hope you make it count, and if not, don't worry, there's one more Sunday coming. So so yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Godwin signing off. See you in the next one. Till then, love you and keep creating. Also, I just went to my cousin's place yesterday, so this is the fun part. We were just having fun with him. So go have a look and then we can end the vlog. Also, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you like the video, and share it with your friends if you loved it. And yeah, that's it. See you. The smallest child in the room, and that's the biggest child in the room, and the war is on.